hanging out off hours in the live stream lounge, that can only mean, wait a minute, it's Kip. Kip, hello. Thank you so much for hanging out with us during this unboxing video. All right, so we're hanging out off hours, and it can only mean one thing. We have a new unboxing. Now, I'm not 100% certain, but I think this is the LOCHAN Shyamall glow-in-the-dark keychain. Let's find out. All right. Hopefully I can cut through this. Man, this is really taped. There we go. I just don't want to cut the merchandise inside, you know? The box is flimsy, but it's got extra, holy cow, it's got extra tape. It's really difficult to cut through. I guess better packaged well than not well enough. Hard as it is to cut through. All right, almost here, almost here. Almost, okay. I think we're open. And, oh wow, this is cool. Oh man, this looks, wow, these aren't how I envisioned, but this is really neat. I bet these are gonna look awesome in the darkness. All right, hold on. I gotta set my phone here so we can take a closer, look. So what these are, they have like this gel in the back of these magnets. Now it's kind of hard to see. It's LOCHAN Shyamall's helmet, right? I guess you can kind of tell how the light is coming through this. You can kind of see the parts that glow in the dark. And it looks like this, you can't see as much, but this way, all of the clear parts are actually what glow in the dark. Now, is there a quick way to get a glow? Maybe I can hold it to this light up here. So let's see here. I don't know if this is gonna work, if this is gonna blind you guys, but let's try. Whoops, I should do this side. If I just hold the back of this close to the light, I don't know if there's a special kind of light, like if a UV light makes it glow better. Again, you can kind of tell from the back how the light is bleeding through what parts glow in the dark. But we'll make this glow just a little bit more. And then we will take it into, I'm covering part of it. That's probably not gonna help. We will take this into a dark bathroom and we'll see if we can see it glowing in the dark. Don't know if this is gonna be enough to make it glow. These have been in a box probably for days. I just got back in town from Los Angeles. So these have been sitting in the dark for possibly a week. So I don't know how well this is gonna glow. Okay, I vote we go take a look and see. All right. Gosh, these look so cool. Oh, I can tell it's already gonna glow. It's already glowing. All right, I can't wait to check this out. All right. Oh my gosh, it's already glowing. How is that possible? We're not even in the darkness yet. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. That is cool. There's some lights coming in through the back there. That is the glow-in-the-dark LOCHAN Shyamall keychain. And this is Kip. He wants to come in. Kip, look at this. That's cool, right? He doesn't care. Anyway, glow-in-the-dark LOCHAN Shyamall keychain. That really glows. And in fact, it's so cool that, like, if you're outside or something and you come in, you already can tell, even in a relatively light room. Look at that. It's already glowing. And all I did was hold it to the light for a minute. Wow. And the colors on there. It's got all the cool ornate LOCHAN Shyamall detail. On the back, I believe it says ALADDIN 3477. LOCHAN Shyamall is, let's cover it here, but LOCHAN Shyamall is the Nano Dragon. It's one of his aliases. And look at that fun color. Awesome. Man, I am tickled with these. I hope you guys are too. Coming at you guys soon. Swag box number 3. These will also be available in the ALADDIN 3477 pre-sale store. Awesome. All right, guys. More on the way soon.